Here we have a beautiful 66 Deluxe Reverb that I'm going to show you a slideshow of the work that I did. Just routine stuff. I replaced the pilot light. I replaced the rectifier tube, which was shattered. The preamp tubes were all okay. There was a couple of PVs mixed in with original ones. And they also put a PV speaker in this bad boy. The power tubes replaced, they were done. All the electrolytics, and wired it correctly in the AC. There were a couple of grounds that were off on the preamp section that had been just like hacked in jumper wires, and I reinstalled that properly, and a new bias cap also, and everything seems to be working great now. I'm going to do a little sound demo. Here we got volume in the reverb channel, volume on 4, treble on 6, bass on 3.5, reverb off, and tremolo off. Here's the tremolo. All right. this concludes my slideshow restoration of this beautiful deluxe reverb. All right, thanks for watching. Hope this helps.